You guys do not know how excited I am. We are going to pick up the wheels and tires for the K1500. Now, I'm not going to take this to go pick up the tires. I'm going to take my mom's Ford because I only have 4 bed bolts in for this. And also, it sits pretty high, so that's a long bed, that's a short bed. So just in case, we've got the Ford to cover us. And, oh, I'm tripping. I'm so excited. I'm honestly so excited, guys, to go and get these wheels and tires. You don't even know the excitement that's on my face. So right now, we are going to head off to my local FedEx hub. And from there, we're gonna get the wheels and tires, guys. Oh, my heart's racing. 14 wides, guys. I've never been excited this much, except for when I bought my wheels and tires for my Duramax. But those were 22, or no, those were 20 by 12s on a negative 44 offset. These are a 22 by 14 with a negative 76 offset. They are polished wheels and they are on a 35 by 1250 22 tire. So they're gonna be stretched. And the reason I did that is, one, kind of the look, but also this is the budget build, and Custom Offsets had a deal going on where it was like $400 for those set of tires. And I was like, you know what, screw it. Let's do it. We're going with a stretched look on a 1250 tire with a 14 wide rim. Hell yeah, guys. Let's go pick up those tires. Alright guys, so we got the wheels and tires, and I strapped them up like this, as you probably just saw, but you know what, I don't like the way that is sitting, so we're gonna take these down off and just place them in the bed of the truck, because I'm too scared that these are gonna fall, because I spent a lot of money on these and I don't want them to fall. So I'm gonna set you guys down and we're gonna take these wheels and tires off and just lay them down. Awesome. Oh man, oh god, you're so heavy. Holy cow, that looks good. You know what, for being a 14 wide, I thought it was going to be a lot more stretched than it is, but these aren't hardly stretched at all. That is awesome. That is exactly what I was looking for. Awesome, dude. These are, oh my god, they're so nice. Holy cow. They're so nice, guys. Oh my god, I'm flipping out. You guys ready to see? Voila! Oh my god, I definitely chose the right tire, guys. Negative 76 offset, 14 wides on a 1250 tire. There's really not that much of a stretch to it. That is a good look. That is a really good look. I love my decision that I made. I can say confidently now that these are not going anywhere. Let me pick up my stuff off the roof here, and let's go back home and go ahead and install these. Holy cow, they're beautiful. Well, I hope you guys liked that edit, and I got something to show you guys. This is my new shop. I'm renting it out from my neighbor, and thanks to you guys, I can do that now. So we've got the K1500 here, and she needs an alignment. I got one done already. Me and my friend did it, but we really need it done by a true professional, because as you can see here, this camber on this wheel is way off. And then we also got my Duramax in here, which let me know if you guys want to update on this, because I got a new grill coming in and I've got some new headlights. And if you want to know what happened, just let me know in the comments and I'll tell you guys. And I got some mounted up fog lights here so I can see at night if I need to drive it back over to my house. And then we got the jet ski back here. Yep, she still runs, and I'm still dealing with that tidal situation. It's really a pain in the butt, and hopefully we'll have it on the water during spring. It's already November. It's almost December. I mean, it is like November 14th or something today. So yeah, another 15 days and we're in December. So that's obviously not going to go out on the water anytime soon. I'm sorry guys. I know I got the jet ski build and a lot of you followed me for that, but you know, I just got it too late in the season and it's gonna have to wait till springtime. So really sorry about that, guys. But also we've got the boat in here and she definitely needs a cleaning, and got some speakers as well. Yeah, it's disgusting. I need to clean it again. Back to boat build part 1, guys. No, I'm just kidding. But also, the last time I took the boat out, got a little crazy and the waves got a little bit bad, and the whole seat ripped out over there. So we're going to put that seat back in. The flooring's done, as you guys know, but we need to finish up here, put some maybe like wood paneling and some speakers and stuff, and we're gonna do some LED lights. So we might do that over the winter. And yeah guys, so this is my new shop and it's awesome. I love it, and I want to thank you guys so much for your support. I really couldn't do this without you guys, you know, throughout TikTok and on YouTube. Without TikTok or YouTube, I wouldn't have been able to get this truck. So I really hope you guys are liking the content I'm putting out. And thank you guys. If you're subscribed, thank you. And if you haven't, go ahead and press that button. You're gonna have a hell of a time on here, because we got a boat, we got 2 trucks, and we got a jet ski, and there will be more on the way. But almost done with this truck. We just need a fender because got a big rust hole, new door, and then finish up some Bondo work and stuff like that. And then she's gonna get painted, and then I'm gonna clarify the budget build as done. Now for some price analysis, these wheels and tires were about $2,600, which leaves us around $1,500, I believe, to spend on the budget build. But yeah guys, she is just about done. I'm serious, just about done. In only a couple months, I'm really proud of how far this thing has come. So yep guys, that is all for today's upload. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and please have a good night. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you guys in the next one.